Hello mga boss, magandang araw po sa inyo and um, kumusta po kayo? Kumusta po ang araw nyo? Okay, so for today, ako ay nagsasalang ng aking labahan. So, pag-usapan po natin yung inductive reactance. So, last time po na discuss natin yung resistor, capacitor, inductor. So, dito naman po is yung ano ba itong tinatawag na inductive reactance. So, inductive reactance, the opposition that the coils offers to AC is called inductive reactance. Okay? So, like resistance, inductive reactance affects the current in an AC circuit. But unlike simple resistance, the reactance changes with frequency. So, magbabago siya depende sa frequency ng circuit mo or yung application mo kung ano yung frequency na gagamitin mo. Dito yung inductive reactance, ang unit po nito, ang unit of measurement ito is naka-ohms. Naka-ohms po yung unit nito. So, mayroon tayong reactance and frequency. So, ito po yung relationship ng reactance and frequency. So, ito po yung formula na ginagamit natin dyan. XL, X sub L, ito yung inductive reactance equals to 2 pi FL or 6.28 FL. Yung F, ito yung frequency in Hertz and yung L is yung inductance in Henry. Okay? And dito meron tayong figure. Makikita natin dito is yung relationship ng inductive reactance, inductance, and frequency. Okay? So, based dito, yung formula natin is yung reactive inductance is directly proportional to frequency in inductance. Okay? Yung inductive reactance is directly proportional to frequency and inductance. So, ito yung bali, ito yung graph na magre-relate dito sa formula na to. Okay? So, ito yung inductive natin. Ibig sabihin kung tataasan natin yung frequency natin, it's either tataasan natin yung inductance or frequency, tataas din yung inductive reactance natin. Kasi nga po is naka-directly proportional sila. Okay? And then, meron ako ditong tawag nito, exercise. So, sa exercise natin, gagamitin natin yung dalawang gagamitin natin itong formula at saka ito. So, sa exercise 1, suppose a coil has an inductance of 0.5 henries and the frequency of the AC passing through it is 60 Hz. What is the inductive reactance? Okay? So, natanong dito, ano daw po yung inductive reactance ng circuit natin. So, by using this formula, ito. So, mayroon tayong given na values. Yung inductance is 0.5 henries and yung frequency is 60 Hz. So, substitute lang natin dito sa formula. Yan. 6.28 times 0.5. Naka-henry naman yung unit. And then yung frequency is 60 Hz. So, ito po yung inductive reactance natin. 188.4. So, ito po yung value natin. Okay? And then, sa exercise 2 naman, gagamitin natin yung isang formula. So, ang problem is, if a coil has an inductive reactance of 100 ohms at the frequency of 5 MHz, what is the inductance? So, dito, yung given natin is yung inductive reactance yung given 100, tapos yung frequency is 5 MHz. So ang tinatanong dito, ano daw po yung inductance? So yun, ito yung formula na gagamitin natin, 2pi FL. Since we are looking for inductance, so i-ano lang natin yung formula, i-reverse lang natin. So ito kasi yung hinahanap natin, so it as divide both side by 2pi FL. Okay, and then we have this one, L is equals to XL, inductive reactance, over 2pi F. Then substitute lang natin, 100 all over 2 times 3.1416. Ito yung approximate value ng pi times 5 MHz. So, ang outcome is 3.18 microhenry. So, ito na yung hinahanap nating value. Okay? Thanks for watching.